About this item: compact USB-C hub, BENFEI USB Type-C to HDMI and USB and VGA and power delivery adapter. Add 1 HDMI port, 1 VGA port, 1 USB-C charging port, 1 USB-A ports to your USB-C laptop, all from a single USB-C port. Tuck this lightweight gadget into your bag or pocket to do a business presentation with your laptop and projector, or extend your desktop screen to a monitor or TV. Incredible performance. Transfer and backup your files at speeds up to 5 Gbps via 1 USB 3.0 ports. Charging your computer with power delivery up to 60 W. Streams from your USB Type-C or Thunderbolt 3 device to the external display with HDMI/VGA input slot. The resolutions up to 3840*2160 at 30 Hz, 1920x1080 at 60 Hz, 1080p Full HD, including 720p, 1600x1200, 1280x1024 for high-definition monitors or projectors. Broad compatibility.